Beneath the oceans, civilizations long thought lost are now emerging thanks to AI. AI-powered sonar detects shapes and patterns invisible to the human eye. Structures, walls, and temples reveal a city frozen in time, hidden for millennia. Each sonar scan adds more detail, reconstructing the city layer by layer. AI algorithms even predict what the city might have looked like before it sank. Historians are astonished as AI reveals lost civilizations we never knew existed. Beyond the oceans, AI is also uncovering hidden cities buried under dense forests and deserts. Predictive archaeology combined with underwater mapping is rewriting what we thought we knew about the ancient world. The past is no longer lost. It's being rediscovered, one algorithm at a time.